Welcome. For generations, our strategy has been a declaration of war. Our weapons, toxins, radiation, blades. Our target, the patient's own body. We called it collateral damage. But what if the greatest medical breakthrough of our century isn't a more powerful weapon, but a universal translator? A way to speak directly to the cancer cell's lost identity. Today, we lay down the arms of destruction and pick up the tools of communication. This is not oncology's next battle. This is its first conversation. Imagine a master cellist in a world-class orchestra. She has the perfect sheet music, her DNA. She knows every note of her part, when to play, when to rest, when to harmonize. This is a healthy cell. Now, imagine a profound amnesia strikes her. She forgets the symphony. She forgets the conductor. All she remembers is how to draw her bow, and so she plays one note, incessantly, drowning out all else. This is a cancer cell. Our old paradigm tried to silence her by breaking her instrument. Our new paradigm seeks to restore her memory. We are not killers. We are cellular librarians, searching for the lost volumes of genetic instruction. We are epigenetic archivists, restoring the faded annotations in the margins that dictate a cell's purpose. We shift from the genetic code, the static text, to the epigenetic landscape, the dynamic, living interpretation of that text. We target the chemical tags, methyl groups, acetyl groups, that act as sticky notes on the genome, silencing good genes and activating destructive ones. Our scalpels are now molecular. We will engineer viral vectors as delivery trucks, nanoparticles as stealth couriers, and small molecules as master keys to erase the amnesia marks and rewrite the original, healthy instructions. Success is not a cemetery of dead cells. Success is a reintegrated citizen. A cancer cell that remembers its duty, stops its chaotic division, and resumes its function or enters peaceful retirement. This is the ultimate goal. Differentiation therapy. This is not a distant dream. From the labs of Seoul to Boston, applied reprogramming factors have convinced aggressive neuroblastoma cells to mature into calm neurons. Leukemia cells have been guided to resume their roles as functional immune cells. The tumor didn't die in a fiery explosion. It faded into the harmony of the body. When you look at a scan, at a biopsy report, I challenge you to see differently. See not just a malignancy, but a population of forgetful cells. See a system-wide failure of communication. Your role is to become the system's restorer. To prepare for our deep dive, begin with this question. What are the precise chemical languages of this cellular memory? Next week, in Lecture 2, The Library of You, Decoding the Epigenetic Script, we will open the books. We will meet the key players, the histone code, DNA methylation, and the revolutionary Yamanaka factors that first taught us any cell could remember its potential. We will learn the alphabet before we write the cure. We are stepping onto a frontier where healing no longer requires annihilation. We are moving from a medicine of force to a medicine of influence. This is the end of the war and the beginning of the great repair.